Do you want to make a quick and easy salsa? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making a homemade salsa, also known as Pico De Gallo. Quick and easy, literally maybe a 3-minute video at best. How do you dice a tomato? Cut it in half, in an inverted V to take out the core. If there's no core on this side, so you don't have to worry about taking it out. About 3/4 of the way, a little more than 3/4, slice down. Go across. 1 time, 2 times. If your tomato is very thick, you could go across 3 times. And now, let's go across. When you get to the end, turn it down, go across again, and then go across. And your tomato is diced nice and fine. To run through my ingredients, I have 3 medium tomatoes diced up. I have juice of half a lime, or will have juice of half a lime. I have a 1/4 cup of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of diced onion, 1 tablespoon of jalapeno, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of diced garlic. We're gonna add our tomatoes to a bowl. Add our cilantro. Mind you, if you want to make this more oniony, hotter, I didn't use any of the seeds from the jalapeno. If you want to make it really spicy, add some seeds from the jalapeno, or you can just add more if you want to make it spicier. You can also just add some hot sauce to make it spicier. Fresh garlic should be pretty good. Salt should be pretty good. And lime juice should also be pretty good. The 2 big things are some people like it more oniony or less oniony, and some people like it spicier. So this is probably like a mild to medium salsa. You can always just add some hot sauce to it to make it spicier. We're just gonna give this a really good mix. I put our salsa in a bowl so you can see what it looks like. And now I'm gonna taste it. Really, really, really good. You taste the cilantro, you taste the garlic, you taste the lime juice. Really nice mix of flavors, really great salsa. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please tell me what type of salsa you like to make. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone. Be well.